Your Lordship, Lordship heard this matter for some time yesterday, Your Lordship. This arises out of a departmental trap case, whereafter a departmental proceeding was initiated against the petitioner and which culminated in a punishment of compulsory retirement. Now, Your Lordship had put a query: what are the legal infirmities in the departmental proceeding? What are the legal infirmities in the departmental proceeding? So the first ground is that the departmental trap case did not follow the vigilance manual, railway vigilance manual, which was in force at that particular time, in as much as Rule 704 and 705, which clearly stipulates that a independent 704 and 705.
What is that?
I've given a list of judgment, Your Lordship. That rule is quoted in that particular judgment. 2008 3 SCC 484.
Where is the book? Read.
Rule 704, traps. When laying a trap, the following important points have to be kept in view. Two or more independent witnesses must hear the conversation, which should establish that the money was being passed as illegal gratification to meet the defense that the money was actually received as a loan or something else if put up by the accused. However, in the present case, the shadow witness, Braj Kishore, was never examined in the departmental proceeding. One Mr. Braj Kishore, who was shadow witness,
What is his name?
Braj Kishore. Braj Kishore.
What was the post held by him?
First of all the witnesses and even the decoy was employed in the vigilance department, which also violates that particular rule.
Don't jump, sir. Once you have arguing one particular point, you complete that. What was the post held by Braj Kishore?
Braj Kishore was Khalasi Mahaprabandhak, Vigilance Gorakhpur.
He has not been?
He has not been examined.
He has been cited as witness?
He has been cited as witness, but he has not been examined.
His statement was recorded on the date of trap, my lord.
Why he has not been examined?
But subsequently, he died before, in course of, he died, therefore he could not be examined. But the witnesses are there who prove
other witnesses.
His statement, yes, my lords. On the date of trap itself, my lords, the statement of the petitioner was recorded in presence of witnesses, several witnesses.
He is admitted.
Yes, he admitted, and he simply said that at the instance of Dr. Sahab, I have received the money. That he said. But subsequently, on the next very day, he said, no, I paid him the amount for ghee. I had taken ghee from Ori, and I paid that amount. Subsequent, the next very day.
Thereafter, further Rule D, Your Lordship. Witnesses selected should be responsible witnesses who have not appeared as witnesses in earlier cases of the department or the police are men of status considering the status of the accused.
Who are repeatedly cited as witness?
They were all employees of the vigilance department. They were not independent witnesses.
No, that is not the issue here. The witnesses selected should be responsible witnesses who have not been appeared as a witness in earlier cases. You show us in earlier cases, so and so has been cited as witness.
What I am submitting is they were all witnesses who were working in the vigilance department at that point of time. And as such,
sir, it is a trap case, sir. It is a trap case. You can't say that.
And
you can't take the stand ghee.
And then
because the ghee version has been reversed by the complainant.
And then Rule 705, which is starts at the bottom of the page.
What is this?
And then next page. Subsection B.
Subclause?
Subclause B of 490, page 490.
What is this?
Here again, I'm emphasizing on that fact, Your Lordship, where 6-7 lines from the top, Your Lordship. The independent witnesses will take up position at such a place wherefrom they can see the transaction and also hear the conversation between the decoy and delinquent, with a view to satisfy themselves that the money was demanded, given and accepted as bribe, a fact to which they will be deposing in the departmental proceeding at a later date. So this
No, this could have been appreciated provided bribe giver has stated that he, in the guise of purchasing ghee, I have given him. On the other hand, he is giving.
No, but our condition was
That is the reason.
then became
What is the grudge between you and the bribe giver?
there was no grudge as such. We have not.
Then we have to accept his version.
But then these safeguards are there for the delinquent, and they must be followed in by the.
Sorry, sir.
So this is my first submission. My second submission is that if your lordship will look into the order of punishment, your lordship, which is annexure 4 at page 56. Complete non-speaking order, your lordship.
56.
Page 56, annexure 4, page 56, 5656, annexure 4. The order of punishment, a complete non-speaking order, your lordship, which shows no application of mind at all by the disciplinary authority.
Page 56 and 57.
Yes, Lordship. My second show cause is just before that. I've submitted a detailed explanation to all the charges in the inquiry, but it was
Separate authorities order.
appellate authority's order is at annexure 8, page 66. That is also non-speaking order without any consideration. Just in one sentence, they have not even considered the grounds raised in the memo of appeal. Page 63, your lordship.
Mind the matter.
Sorry, page 66.
Which department you said? Railway. The Railway Act.
I have a copy of the rules.
छोड़ दो. नहीं हुई. Where is the appellate authority order?
Page 66.
66 is disciplinary authority.
The order of Chief Medical Officer.
Is it appellate authority order or disciplinary authority order? In terms of yes, Mr.
Hello, this is,
Take page 66.
yes, my lord, this is appellate authority.
Correct. Now it read rule 22. Whether is there any compliance to rule 22 or not? Sub rule 2 of rule 22. There is no consideration. What is the punishment?
Compulsory retirement.